Well, I got them both, splitting wood. Bringing the wood to me, I had big logs and twisted, and I grabbed one log to pull it over to the splitter, and both shoulders pop up. It was not good. So I had my left one done last year.
So you did them both at the same time?
Yes, they were both done at the same time.
It's impressive.
It's painful up there right now.
Top of the shoulder?
Yep.
Okay.
It's good all the way.
Doesn't seem too tight. Let me check the other side too, just to compare that. This muscle gets tight with most people, having desk jobs, that kind of thing. After being in a sling, that doesn't help. I should feel that right in this area.
Yep.
Okay, and I'm just gonna do that 20 times.
So after getting the left shoulder done last year, the right shoulder kept acting up. Couldn't even move my arm towards the keypad without it popping, and so it kind of let me know that I had no choice. I had to come and get this one done too.
I'm gonna head this way.
Oh, the wall. You can put that on there, the dreaded wall. I'm not doing that. Somebody else is on it.
Just starting to work on muscle activation before we start doing actual strengthening with movement. So same thing you've done in the past. 10-second pushes. All of these, your arm is in by your side, 90 degrees at the elbow. Pushing as hard as you can without pain. And then go forward 5 times. Out to the side 5 times. And backward 5 times. If you don't have a ball at home, that's fine. You can use a rolled up towel or a small pillow, just something to give you some padding on your hands or elbow. And so this one here will target that the best. Right. So you can use a corner like it shows in the picture if you have a corner without a whole bunch of stuff on the walls, or you can use a door frame. So
thank you very much.
We'll see you in a couple of days, and we'll still work on the same kind of stuff, and probably next week move it to more strengthening exercises.
Okay. Yep. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good to see you.